Good morning. It is August the 17th, 2025. One of our major goals this year and for the next 5 years or so is going to be to try to establish perennial plants that stay evergreen all summer long. We have here two types of alfalfa and we have sainfoin. These plants are ideal for the Mediterranean climate. In one test plot, we're going to disturb the soil and plant the seeds in the soil. We're going to do this around early December or late November when the rains come. Unfortunately, the rains here have been pushed back by a month due to the change in climate. We also made some clay balls. We used 5 parts clay, 3 parts manure mixed with compost, and 1 part zeolite. The zeolite was pre-charged, which means we soaked it in a liquid that was made from compost tea, some manure mixed in, some urine, and we just had a rich tea. So we soaked it, we let it dry, and incorporated into the clay balls. We made clay balls different ways. We used this type of a form, this used for drainage, and we came up with these clay balls. We also used this form. A nice restaurant owner donated this to us for this purpose, and we have this kind of tubes. So we'll see how they do. We also made some clay balls using the concrete mixer. We have a concrete mixer for this purpose, and we made this. Tomorrow we're going to make more. We're not going to be using a pre-charged zeolite. I think this is the fastest way to cover the earth and lower the temperature.